Okay guys, so part 2 of opening the remaining 10 pack. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 2 GP card I get, Naruto's and Sasuke, and I have one QR. Alright, let's go. Another GP, Joji also, SR, SSR, Ultra Ray, Sakura, and Mogi. Pack number 2. Okay, we got one KR Kaguya. Wow. It's a purple cut. Put it here. And we have Sakura SR. We have Might Guy SSR. We have UR Naruto. And we have Inojin. Pack number 3. We have GR card. Kokuhan. Let's put it here. Sasuke SR. Very nice card. We have Asuma SSR. Tsunade. And we have, which is Shikadai. Pack number 4. Okay, we have one PR. Akatsuki. Pen. Oh, very nice. And we have Naruto SR. We have Kakashi. Orochimaru. And Mogi. Pack number 5. Another PR card, Sasuke, Team Taka. Very nice card. And what is this? Kimikaru SR. And we have SSR Jiraiya. We have Jiraiya UR. And we have one Ray card, Naruto. Very nice card. Oh, very nice card. I like these Ray cards. Very nice. I'm gonna put it here. Oh, we got another PR card. Naruto and Sasuke, Child of Destiny. Oh, very nice card. And we have Kapuro, SR. We have Orochimaru, SSR. Jiraiya again. Sarada. Pack number 7. We got another Akatsuki PR. We have Obito SR, Tsunade SSR, and we have Madara UR with Tentel, and we have Mitsuki. So far we have get PR. Where is PR? Okay, so it's 18 PR, slightly below. Okay, we have not seen anything here. Alright, let's go. Do we have something nice? Okay, we have FP Sarada, and then we have SR Jugo, we have Sasuke SSR, we have Shisui Crow, and we have Uzumaki Boruto. Oh, very nice. Let's do. Wow, we have one FP, another FP, Naruto's, and we have SR, Sakura SSR, and we have, this is Obito, 10. Okay, last pack, we get something special here.
Apa ni belakang ni? What?
Oh, we have one KR, Topirama, and we have this SSR, and another UR, Rock Lee. Okay, so the best card I got is KR. Where's KR? KR is someplace below QR. FP. FP is also below. Okay, I only, the best card I got is QR. Nothing from here. Thank you guys.